Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson. Today I want to introduce you a node that I created recently, which is a super if or switch node. But before I start explaining what this is, I just want to point out your attention to my store. Here you will find all of my automations and workflows in Make and in n8n. You can see them. I have bundled them up in one super big package you can get. I also have a couple of courses if you're starting out or you're in the intermediate level. I also have the AI agent template that you can start with every AI agent that you want to build, and also what I will explain today about the node. Okay, so let us start. So I will switch to n8n. So the problem that I faced recently in one of my automations is the following. I'm going to create a switch node here, and I'm going to create an if node. So the problem is both of these nodes are conditional nodes, of course. With the switch you have, I have videos on both here on YouTube. You can go ahead and go through that for a quick explanation. But the issue that I faced with my automation is that these conditions are limited. So if you keep on adding conditions, you will stop at the condition number 9. And for the current condition, see here, it's disabled now. And for the current automation that I had, I wanted like 40 plus conditions, and this meant that this is limited. I cannot do anything with that. I had the option to daisy chain ones like that, like do like this, and then duplicate this again and do that. But that means a lot of manual work and a lot of nodes, because I need to copy the conditions from one to another, and then the whole automation will be very big. It will take more time, and it will be just a mess. So I decided that I want to create a super conditional node that I can that doesn't limit me in the number of slots. And so far I created this one, which is basically a combination of a switch node and a code node. Now the setup is it will check whatever node that you have coming in, and it will check it, and the output is either true or false. So this switch node is going to act just like an if node, but the condition, it will come from the code node. And here in the code node, as you can see, we have like forbidden words, or the words that will trigger whether it's true or false. And here you can add as many as you want, right? You can have the list. You can still add and add and add, because this is an array. This will not be limited to 10 or 9 slots. This will be unlimited amount of conditions that you can put. And then after the code node evaluates, it will send it to the switch, and here the switch it will take the results from the other node, and it will either do true or false. Now let's test this. Now I have this hello. So hello is not any of those words, so it should be false. So let's test this. There you go, it's now false. Now let's try word 1. Bam, it's true. So this combination of nodes now creates this super node that you can have as many conditions as possible. It will always check whatever node that you have coming in. Now this node could be Google Sheets, it could be an RSS feed, it could be anything. So the input, the incoming would be whatever the word is incoming, and the code node will check it if it is similar to the 3 or 4 or 10. You can do whatever you want, words that you have. It will always take whatever you input in and make it lowercase, so that we don't have any issues with capital letter and with that kind of sensitivity. So this has made my workflow quite small. It gave me the flexibility that I want. and it added to the conditional automation that I wanted to do. Okay, I hope this was useful to you guys. If you want to get this, you can just import it from here, like import from file, and you can find this here. You can purchase it as a single, or if you want to purchase the 19 other automations that I have, you can purchase them all as a bundle. I hope this was useful to you guys. In case you like this one, give it a like, subscribe for more videos, and I'm gonna see you in the next lesson.